Okay, this is Tyler with Pro Drain. We're at 1529 Southeast Hawthorne doing a video inspection of the sewer line. We're going from a clean out that is right next to the right of the front doors. This is a clean out for, you can see the rain drains are coming off the side there. We're going into water here, which is a P-trap. It keeps the sewer gases from coming up the storm drain. Yeah, we were in a ABS clean out. It went down about 5 feet in depth, and it's connecting with some old tile sewer. You can see that we're upside down on the camera, but to the right of the screen is a Y going back to the building, and this is going to take us out towards Hawthorne. You can see this joint here has a hole in it. You can see past it, and there's looks like some rocks there you can see. So we're in a tile sewer line. You can see to the left there's another Y, which we're upside down, so that would actually be coming in from the west side of the building, or somewhere towards that direction. We're traveling under the sidewalk at this point. Okay, so here you can see that there's a hole in the pipe, and the pipe is making a sharp turn to the right. This is right at the curb, or right before the curb. I have it marked in white paint. It's 6 feet deep, right at the curb. This will definitely need to be repaired. I would recommend the age of this pipe, that you'd replace the whole thing from the building to the curb. And then into the curb, typically, is the city's responsibility. You'd want to check with the city to see if that is true in this case. But we'll go into the city and take a look at their line. It appears to be 6-inch tile.
Hey there.
Hey.
Are you recording right now?
I am.
Okay.
Are you the one that...
Yeah.
Were you
doing the whole inspection?
Oh, okay. So this is dropped very sharply. It's turned to the west and dropped very sharply to the in depth. At the curb, we're about 6 feet deep here at this spot. I've located this previously. It's about 10 feet deep. City main in the street is 12 feet deep, over 12 feet deep. Takes a sharp turn to the left, which would be putting us to the south. And as you see, after we make this turn, that we're making a connection to PVC pipe. And this will continue out to the street. So the city has done a repair of their sewer line in the street. Can't really get much farther with this. Going through a P-trap is very difficult to push the line. But the rest of this line is the city's portion in the street. It's PVC, newer PVC, so this is in good condition. So this part here is marked with some paint in the street. It does a quick 90 to the west, and then it drops very sharply down to 10 feet deep, and then it does another 90 to the south. This is the city's portion of the line. Okay, so here's the back on property. You can see that hole in the pipe. Definitely a problem for rats. They'll come right through that. They'll be nesting in the ground, and that will create a problem for the building. There's a good shot there at that hole in the joint of the pipe where it's just going out on the ground. This is also a problem for rats. Okay, you can see we're here at the building. Just to the right is the clean out that we're accessing. Going out towards the street. Behind my van is where the hole is in the pipe. Well, actually right at the bottom of this clean out there's a hole in the pipe. And then there's also a hole in the pipe right in front of that Fiero and behind my van. There it's 6 feet deep. Over at the clean out it's 5 feet deep. And then it does an S-turn out to the street. So this line will definitely need to be repaired. Everything that's original clay from the building to the curb will need to be replaced by the building owner, and most likely the city would cover the last bit of pipe in the street, that clay pipe, but you'd have to contact them to find out. You can call 503-823-1700 to get to talk to somebody about if they would repair that section. So that concludes our inspection of 1529 Southeast Hawthorne.